While shepherds watch their flocks by night, all seated on the ground, the angel of the Lord came down, and glory shone around. And glory shone around. Fear not, said he, for mighty dread has seized their troubled mind. Glad tidings of great joy I bring to you and all mankind. To you and all mankind. To you in David's town this day is born of David's line, a Savior who is Christ the Lord, and he shall be the sign, and he shall be the sign.